guys, welcome to my channel.
My first toy unboxing video.
So this is a pony. This is actually a unicorn. There's the unicorn horn and it has a yellow mane and tail. Oh, it has a cutie mark. It's a what? It's sun. Yeah, it's a sun. And it's purple in color. And I like that they put a bow for tying their hair, and I really like it. Let's move on to the next toy. Okay. So here we have a dog, and look at her hair. Dog like Rapunzel, but this is not Rapunzel's dog. So look at the I really love the pink one because that's my favorite color. Okay. Guys, comment which is your favorite ice cream. Thank you. Huh? might have a problem, but I hope it doesn't snap. There, see? This is my... Okay, let me pull out the... There we go. So this is what it looks like with the collar or whatever. Prettier. Necklace. The necklace was pretty. Look at the heart. Such a cutie, right? And look at it matches this cutie mark. There's the cutie mark over there. So we have a small LOL brush here. So this is all pink. This is the back. This is the front. So we can brush our unicorn like that. Or our LOL doll or any doll you can brush it with. See? So we have a ice cream, a different kind of ice cream. So it must be a banana flavor with some chocolate on it. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments if y'all like this ice cream. What flavor y'all think it is, guys? So the mystery box is down to the last few items. So let's get our next thing. Ooh, it's wrapped in paper. Let's see. Wait, can I just see it? Wow, it's a ladybird. Look here. It's here. It's a ladybird money bank. Look there, there's the slot. You can save your money in here. Wow, so cute. Look there. There's the tongue is sticking out. Look at the eyelashes. Look at the antennas. There's the spots. Mainly red, but yeah. This is under. So you can take out your money from there. So let's move on to the next item. Yeah. Next item is wrapped in paper as well. Wow, it's a clown. Hello, I'm a clown. So this is the back of the clown. Look at this hat, his pom-poms. Look at his shoes. He has his shoes. Pom-pom-pom. And his glass, so I better not drop it down. Look at the colors. There's like green. He's wearing a green like top under the white shirt. And look at his smile is red, and he has a red nose. Look at the face paint. Look at the face paint. Look at his hair. Could be the Joker. Hello, I'm Mr. Joker. I'm gonna come and scare you. I am looking for Harley Quinn. Let's hope she is in the box. Okay. So yeah, we have a watch. Look at the flowers. It's mainly blue. There's the big hot clock. So I don't know what that is. To adjust the time, yeah. So this is where you can take it out and put it on your hand. So this is what is on my hand now. Okay, it's really nice. I'm going to keep this in the entire video. Let's see if anything else. There's a bow. Look at the bow. It's blue. Look here. This is back. Clip on. Okay, I'm going to clip it on one of my dolls. So let's clip it on her doll. Let's clip it on her. Look at the bow. Pretty, yeah? Okay, let's see if there's anything else. last item in the mystery box. This is the back, another flower shape, so it's green, maybe green. See, here's a mirror. See, I'm filling with my LOL dot, so you can see it. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.